Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's DJ Showman coming at you here with another unboxing video. Alright, as you've seen the title, you can tell what I got here. Alright, this is a bass speaker 18-inch, so I haven't opened it yet. I haven't cheated. Alright, just picked it up from outside, man, just dropped it off. Alright, so let's get in it. Alright, so I haven't opened it yet. Freshly taped, so let me start at this end, right here. I know you're wondering what this is, but if you've watched a lot of my videos, you should already know what kind of bass speaker I was gonna get. Alright, so it should be no surprise to you. Alright, so if you've seen my last unboxing video, that was with the PRVs. Those were some 12s and 15s for mid and low mid. So now this is 18 for bass. Alright, so I'll let you see what this looks like. Let me get these straps out. If I can do this the right way. I'll just cut them anyway. Blade is not too sharp. But here we go. Alright, so if you've been watching my videos, if you've been following me, you should already know what kind of 18 I was going to get. Alright, so here it is. This is the big boy right here. Alright, it's a Rcf. Alright, this is the 400 series. Alright, so everyone knows the LP 300s. Those are like Rcf's top selling speaker. Those are like the industry standard. But this right here is like its brother, all right? So the difference with this speaker and the 300 is this one goes down to 25 hertz, all right? The 300 goes to about 35 hertz or somewhere around there, all right? So this is a little deeper with plain subs, okay? All right, so as you can see, nice and shiny. It's not a dull coating. All right, smells good. Pretty heavy. And this also weighs a little bit more than the 300. I don't know why, but I think this is about 29 pounds. I think the 300 is 26 pounds. All right, not 100%, but from what I was checking. All right, as you can see the model there. This is the L18P 400, all right, and it's by Rcf, okay? And I don't know if you can see closely. All right, it says made in Italy, okay? This is not a Chinese version. They do have the Chinese version. You gotta be careful. So this one's a little bit more expensive than the Chinese version, of course, but you know. And the certification. If you don't get this in your box, you know what time it is, all right? You don't have the Italian made Rcf, okay? So this is the L118 P400 by Rcf. Okay, so this is about 2,000 watts, all right? They say program, peak. I don't know what peak is, all right, whether it's going to be that 2,000 watts, but 1,000 watts RMS, okay? All right, so we just leave it at there because the incredible peak numbers they can throw out there, I really don't care about that. All right, so we're going to stay within the 1,000 and 2,000 ball game, all right? So I'm going to get the camera, bring it around, and I'll show you all the little connectors and details of it. All right. show you all around. I'll give you a detailed look. Alright, I'm not going to get the camera too close to it because that's a big old magnet right there. Might suck everything from my phone. Alright, so look at these pins here. These are pretty different. You don't get these on a lot of speakers. These are totally different. Alright, let me zoom in on that. That's a nice hole right there. And you can pretty much put a 10 gauge wire through there if you wanted to. Alright, so zoom back out. You can look at the wire that's connected to it. Alright. Giving you a full detail here. These are things you don't see in pictures. Alright. Look at that. Okay. Rcf. Made in Italy. Alright. Okay. Give you a full walk around. See, look at this. This is nice right here. This is most likely the heat sink. Dissipates the heat all around. Alright. Nice magnet. Okay. It's like a 4-inch voice coil. Looks like something was in there. I don't know what that black stuff is. Alright, get you the tag here. I'll zoom in on that. You can see that. 2000 watts program, 1000 watts RMS, 4-inch voice coil, 25 hertz. Okay. So if you have the L18 P300, it's gonna say 35 hertz to 1000 kHz. Okay, it won't say 25. This one goes a little bit lower as far as subs. All right. So I had to switch it up. I know tons of people who are running the 300. So I had to switch it up. All right. It's a big boy here. I'm gonna see how these do, and I'll be getting some more. It's the first trial. All right. I know they're a beast, but I'm just gonna test them out. I need 2 of them, but if they impress me a whole lot, I might get 6 of them. All right, and not worry about doing the 21s for the subs. All right, I might just go with 6 of these. All right, so there you have it. This is the Rcf L18 P400. All right, and I am DJ Show 1 King Legend. And I will catch you on the next one, all right? All right. I'm like a little kid on Christmas, all right? I'm going to throw this in the box, and I'm going to test them on out right now, all right? It wasn't due until Wednesday, but it showed up today, so I'm going to take advantage of it on my day off, all right? So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and don't forget, share the knowledge. Catch you on the next one. Hey y'all, so I got it in the box. It's pretty much 4 screws holding it right now. I don't have a grill for it yet. I'm gonna order some grills, and I gotta do some more sealing on it, so I'll possibly take it back out and put like a insulation type material around the edge, you know, to let the speaker not breathe out, you know, so you have that cushion between the wood and the speaker, itself. So I got it all in. All right, I didn't have to take the box down to do it. I was able to kind of hold it up and, you know, mount it myself. So that was a good thing, because I didn't want to take all this down and trying to restack it by myself. You know, that wasn't gonna happen today. So anywho, I got it in, and this speaker is a killer. All right, I mean, I can destroy my whole garage with this one speaker. I mean, this thing is so powerful. I mean, it has everything in here shaking. It is crazy. So I'm just gonna play it a little bit. Tune your headphones if you want to hear it. You're not gonna really hear it through the cell phone or your TV. It's best to use some headphones so you can hear, you know, the lower frequency. Because I'm just gonna play the bass right now. All right, then I'll put in some mids and highs or whatever, you know, just so you hear the clarity. But yeah, let me get right to it. Alright, so I have it down right now. So I'm not even gonna put it halfway. I'm just gonna crack it a little bit. Alright, I don't know if you can hear that. Alright, this speaker is crazy. And also on this 18, the X Max is lower. The X Max is higher than the 300 series. So this is about 47. Is it 47? I think it's about 47, and the other one is about 42, something like that. So the X Max on this is a little higher, right? So what the X Max is how far the speaker comes out. You see how it's moving right here? So this speaker can move out a whole lot more than the 300 series. Alright, so when it moves out, you know what that is, right? That's more air, that's more bass. Alright, so 25 hertz versus the 30 hertz of the 300. This thing is a killer, alright? Alright, so I don't know if you hear that. My whole garage is like destroying right now, alright? So, alright, and I don't even have it halfway. I'm using the CVR. I'm using the CVR 3002 right now, and it's not even halfway. Alright? It's not even halfway. Alright? That's halfway right there. I'll leave it at halfway right there. Alright, so on, and I have the Euro Pros on. Alright, so let me turn this thing down. It's destroying the place. Alright, one speaker. Alright, so anywho, this is playing highs, the 2000. This is playing the horns. Alright, this is playing the bass, the Rcf 400. Alright, this is playing the mid. It's 12,000 I nuke, and this is playing the low mid 215s. All right. Okay, the crowns are not on. All right, so I'm just gonna let you hear how everything sounds together. All right. So let's do some highs. Those are the tweeters. All right. Those are the horns. Those are the 12s. My low mid there. Alright, and we'll put a little bit of bass. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. I'm sure my neighbors can feel that. All right. So again, thanks for watching. DJ Shaw One King Legend. That was the RCF 400. All right. So like I said, make sure you get your certificate. All right. That shows you that it's a genuine RCF speaker. All right. Without that, you do not have a genuine RCF speaker. All right. So again, thanks for watching. DJ Shaw One signing out. All right.